Today we're going to be looking at some new models by Pulte Homes. This is going to be in the Sora community in the Aries master plan, which is just started development in Henderson. It's pretty close to Lake Las Vegas, right down the road from Lake Mead. It's going to be a nice open layout, really nice laid out kitchen, plenty of room for an 8-person table if you needed to. Big family room, plenty of natural light. This plan's going to be 2,489 square feet. It's currently starting at $491,990. The builder's also offering some really nice incentives at the moment, especially on quick move-in models that have already been picked out with the upgrades and lot premiums included. It does come standard as a 4-bedroom and a den, but there is the option to add the 5th bedroom. We have a really nice sized loft upstairs. The secondary bedrooms are also really nice sized. And the laundry room is upstairs for convenience as well. Don't forget, with these model homes, you want to have an agent on your side. So take an agent with you on your very first visit, or the builder may not let you have agent representation. They put it right there on their front door. So always contact an agent like us at the Snyder team at Simply Vegas. We would be happy to represent you at new construction, resale homes. We'll help you find the right property for your needs. Again, with a really large loft area going into a nicely sized primary suite. And of course, the primary bathroom, dual vanities, walk-in shower. There are upgrades available to add a tub. Really nice sized walk-in closet. So if you're in the market for a new construction property, or you just want to explore all your options, you can give us a call, 702-480-9137. Or you can go to our website, lvhomesgroup.com. Get in touch with us there. We'll be happy to help you find the right property for your needs.